Coworker sneezes all day all year round. I know he can't help it. I have seasonal allergies and dust allergies and I sniffle and cough yearly too. But this guy. He sneezes maybe 30 times a day. Every day. All year. And they're not quiet sneezes. They're not super loud sneeze yells. But he sits on the other side of the office and I can hear it through my headphones when I'm on Teams calls. Other people have whispered about it. I ignore it cause again, the guy can't help sneezing. But dear God, I just want to leave a bottle of Claritin on his desk. Not looking for solutions cause there are none. Just looking for sympathizers lol.